Astana, thank you very much for starting flight from Almaty to Sri Lanka. This is the first flight to Colombo International Airport, and we most welcome all of you to come and enjoy our facilities in the country.
There's a lot Sri Lanka can offer with a lot of diversity. You have a lot of beautiful beaches, uncrowded and unpolluted, so many places where you can swim, where you can surf, you can snorkel and you can dive. And one thing that is special in Sri Lanka is that you can go for whale watching also, which you can experience from October till March.
Welcome to Sri Lanka.